It's frustrating that you want to create videos, but you don't have any money. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create videos like this for free without using a temp mail. I'm going to show you a trick, so make sure you watch the full video so that you don't miss anything. First, open up your browser and search for Kling AI. Click the first link. Make sure it has this logo. Now you will be presented with this interface, which might be a little overwhelming, but I'm here to guide you through. As you can see, it is not currently possible to create any videos. It's in beta. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can create videos for free. That's why I advise you to watch the whole video so you don't miss out. Don't go rushing to create an account just yet. Let's start by creating some images. Click here on your left. Let's start by writing a simple prompt like, a woman sitting on a bench at the park. Then make sure you select Image 3.0 for better quality. Here you can choose the aspect ratio. Let's select 16:9 and click Generate. This usually takes about a minute, so let's wait for a moment. And there we go. It actually took less time than I expected. Let's take a look at our results. As you can see, the results are absolutely incredible. This tool actually beats even the paid ones. With this tool, you can generate as many images as you want every day wherever you are, without doing any tricks, but we're here for unlimited videos. So now I'm going to show you how to do that, so pay attention. You're going to open a new tab and search for VPN. You can choose whichever you want, but I recommend using NordVPN or this one. Download it and open it as an extension. Switch it on and select the UK. For those using phones, you can download any VPN app. It'll also work. After that, go back to Kling AI and refresh the page. As you can see, now we can generate videos. Let's give it a try. I'm going to select one of the images we generated earlier and turn it into a video. I'm not going to write any prompt, and click Generate. Now usually this takes about a minute, so let us wait. And the video is ready! I want you to take a look at this masterpiece. It's amazing, isn't it? I can't believe we created this for free. As you can see, the people and birds in the background are moving smoothly, almost as if they're real. Now let's try text to video. I'm gonna give it a simple prompt like, a young man walking on the street. Make sure you select Video 3.0 for better quality, and you can choose duration up to 10 seconds. And select your aspect ratio, then click Generate. And wait for the magic to happen. And it's ready. Let's take a look. Wow, it's so good! To download, just click the download icon and it'll save itself to your device. Let's try something else. I generated this prompt on ChatGPT. I don't even know what it means. Let's see what it'll cook for us. The results are here. Let's take a look. Well, I'm not sure what this is, but the quality of the video is amazing. And that's it, guys. I want you to try and see for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like the video if you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.